Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you this Birdfy metal smart bird feeder with camera. I've already tested a lot of smart bird feeders in the last 5 years and I've seen steadily improvement, but this is not just like a little bit of improvement. This is like a pretty much a new generation. It's totally on a new level regarding super easy installation, fast installation, and also the comfort level which we have on the app. This is absolutely amazing, and so I'm going to show you everything, so make sure that you stay tuned till the very end of the video. The bird feeder itself came pretty much fully assembled already. It makes an absolute awesome impression, not only very beautiful but super sturdy, built with the metal pretty much everywhere metal, and we have these super convenient windows where we can see how much food we have still inside, and you can see I'm using peanuts and it definitely works with the peanuts. If you have been worried if it works or not with the peanuts, it will definitely work. If you fill up too much, maybe it can get a little bit stuck, but usually if you just fill up halfway or so, absolutely no problem. You can see the animals, especially the squirrels, have been super active. They have spent already hours on this bird feeder, and usually they are going crazy when they see there's still food here inside and nothing down here. But you can see there's absolutely no damage here. I mean, they caused a little bit of a mess, but there's absolutely no damage because the solar panel is fully integrated, and also the cable is far recessed here in the back. Camera is only pushed here inside, so I could take it out at any time again if needed, but usually that's not needed. I can also turn it to the side here even easily if that's needed, but usually I just keep it straight because it has such a wide angle. It's absolutely no problem. We have also this adjustable perch, so you can untighten here. On the other side we have to rotate clockwise and then it's loose, and so you can adjust it here easily depending on how you need that. Just need to secure it after that again, just in the back. We could also remove this cover here to clean, and then also super easy to fill the food when we just push the roof to the back, and then we can just flip it down, and then we have full access here. Super easy. We just flip it back and pull it a little bit to the front, and then it's nicely secured. It has never been open, and you can see from the dirt that the squirrels have been jumping from the top onto this roof here, and it didn't get loose, it didn't get damaged. I love this solar panel here in the back. Of course, we just have it on one side, so you have to make sure that this is facing somehow towards the sun. I have it just here towards the west side, not even towards the south, and it's nicely charging day by day. And I also love the mounting system. It was super easy to mount in only 5 minutes here with just 2 screws. You can see here in the back, so I can just lift it over this bracket, hang it in again. For example, if I want to take it inside for some reason or adjust something. Was super easy to connect in only 2 minutes to the app. I've tried with a dedicated 2.4G Wi-Fi and worked, and also with a combined 2.4 5G network like the Eero and also worked. That's absolutely amazing because a lot of bird feeders have been struggling with this network. Here absolutely no problem, and the footage is absolutely phenomenal. The camera is really absolutely amazing. I love this camera. I love that it also comes with a free 5 GB lifetime cloud. Not even a micro SD card is needed here. And so here we are on the main page of the app, and the app is also really next level. It's so much more convenient. We have 3 main sites. We have one on the left side, which shows my bird feeders with the battery percentage, and so we can see that it has been charging in only 1 day already 10%. You can also go to the live view here. Of course, also full screen. And from here we can activate, deactivate the microphone. We can activate the light, activate the siren, choose from different resolutions, even use the microphone to talk to people or to the animals, or start recording right from here. And you can see the super wide angle here, really nice colors, great sharpness here for everything which is close, but of course a little bit limited for everything in the distance, but that's exactly what we want for a bird feeder. And we have even more options directly from here. And the connection to the Wi-Fi router is also very good, especially when we think about that it's a metal bird feeder. With some other metal bird feeders I had huge problems in this area, not a problem with this one here. And so let's get back to the main page where we have an overview what has happened just recently. For example, we had a blue jay 3 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, and so on and so on. We had also some squirrels, and on the right side we can directly share on Facebook, see the account, subscriptions, support. We even have some special recap and highlights, something I've also never seen with another bird feeder. For example, here in the highlights we can see first time visitor blue jay, that was yesterday. We can also see other highlights from other days. But of course we want to focus on the main page. And here we have an absolutely awesome feature, especially if you have a lot of visitors which you are not interested in, for example a lot of squirrels or so, and you just want to see some birds and you think you have to scroll through a ton of videos to see the birds. No, you don't have to. You can just click on see all moments, and then you have a really nice overview about what has been going on. So here we have everything, here we have all the birds, here we have all animals, and so in the all you can see we had really a lot, also a lot of squirrels, especially here in the morning. They have been going crazy after the peanuts here. Also this one here, and you can see also the nice footage, great quality of the recording, and we can directly download and share the video from here. But back to the birds, when we scroll up here we get the overview again, and so I can click on all birds, and so I have only birds now. And so you can see that the AI is working absolutely amazing. I think there is not a single squirrel here when I scroll down, while other bird feeders have mixed up a lot of stuff. Here I can see only birds here, and so I can play video after video after video. When I double click I can even make it full screen, and so here again you can see how nice this looks here. What's really amazing and actually surprising here is that I've seen a lot of videos where the video started actually already a little bit before the animals have been arriving here, and then it has been capturing everything. And so I've seen a lot of birds really landing here, picking the peanuts and then flying away. Absolutely amazing. I've never seen so many animals and especially so many birds with any of the bird feeders which I had here. I actually don't know why. Maybe just more birds are coming to this bird feeder, or this bird feeder has been really capturing everything. So at the very end the result is so much better than with anything I've seen till now. Of course we also have some settings, that's again on the left side, and so we can see what we have here with the free plan. Can set also cooldown periods. If you have too many alarms we can change the sensitivity. I have it here on 55%. Can choose the notifications if you want to get a push for everything or just birds and squirrels, or even only a smart push for rare and new birds. And we can even add some filters. Search for a bird you like. If you have always been waiting for something, here you can set your filter. Yeah, this is bird watching, bird feeding on a total new level. Something I've never seen before, and I have definitely seen a lot of bird feeders, tested at least 20 or 30 of them, but never seen something so good working like this one here. So reliable, and again super easy to assemble, pretty much nothing to assemble. Installing in 2 minutes, setting up the accounts in another 2 minutes, so basically ready in 5 minutes. Yeah, absolutely amazing what we have here. Quality, everything, also the sturdiness of the bird feeder and how good the app works. Yeah, the whole package here is absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I'm super happy with this bird feeder. Definitely love it. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like, or maybe buy one as a gift. This could be absolutely awesome. Definitely pretty much impossible that somebody is disappointed by this bird feeder. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this bird feeder, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.